Rice. I have eaten 380 pounds of it. But what is rice? Rice is a grass that is used primarily as a cereal grain. The majority of the world population depends on rice as their primary staple food, and this means that a large amount of rice is needed. 20 billion pounds of rice are produced in the US each year by more than 5,000 farmers in Arkansas, California, Louisiana, Mississippi, Missouri, and Texas. That is the same as the capacity of 250,000 Panamax ships. The US rice industry reliably produces rice not only in large quantities, but also of the highest quality. Each American eats on average 27 pounds of rice each year, around the weight of a car tire, 80% of which is domestically produced. Of sushi eaten in the US, 95% is made using domestically produced rice. Rice makes up an important part of the economy. Each rice farm adds $1 million to its local economy, and together they contribute a total of $34 billion to the US economy. That is the same as the entire economy of Honduras. But the rice industry is not just farming. It also involves the processing needed to get rice from paddy to product. This includes both rice milling, which cleans and dehusks the rice, and the manufacture of products made from rice, such as cleaned rice, vinegar, and chocolate. All of the sectors of the rice industry employ a total of 125,000 people. The United States is also a major rice exporter, the largest outside of Asia. Around 50% of all US rice is exported to 120 countries. The total amount of rice exported is equivalent to around 87,000 blue whales. 40 million pounds of this exported rice go to combat food insecurity, mostly in sub-Saharan Africa, each year. But rice is more than just basic food. By eating rice, you can get fiber and critical nutrients such as B vitamins, phosphorus, magnesium, selenium, manganese, potassium, and zinc. People are less likely to be allergic to rice than any other grain, and rice milk is the most hypoallergenic milk alternative. Rice is not only good for us, it is good for the rest of the ecosystem too. Rice farms fill a crucial role in the ecosystem by supporting migratory waterfowl. Dabbling ducks get 35% of their energy from rice fields. Much of this happens in Missouri, where I live, as the 377 Missouri rice farms concentrated in the southeast provide critical habitat along the Mississippi Flyway. It would cost $35 billion to replace the role of rice fields in the ecosystem with natural habitat. In the past 30 years, rice farming has become increasingly sustainable. The amount of water used has been reduced by 52%, the amount of greenhouse gas emissions by 40%, and the amount of land by 39%. Rice. Now I have eaten 381 pounds of it, and we know why it is important.